Nice one, cool dudes. You join me on day 3 of the Boudicca Way. What is that? It's a walk from Norwich to Diss. It's about 37 miles and I think I've got about 12 and a half miles to go. I'm not in the best condition after yesterday's horrific temperatures of 32 degrees because my B&B was pretty much a box room with a tiny window and was the same temperature as it was outside. So I feel as though I spent the whole night in a sauna. Not one of those types of saunas, a one where you get too hot. Anyway, my feet are in a bad condition as well because I didn't tie my shoes properly. So this may well be mainly a man moaning. Oh, and guess what? Here's the weather forecast for today. Unbelievable. Anyway, good luck everyone, especially me. Let's go. Can anyone tell me what these crops are, please? Please write below. Norfolk and Suffolk are both well known for seeing huge finds of Anglo-Saxon gold. So whenever I go through one of these fields, I've got my eyes glued to the ground in case I see some Roman coin. And then I have to give it to the farmer and make absolutely nothing. All this talk of finding things, cool dudes, brings me to the question of the day. How much money is it acceptable to keep if you find? I'm not talking about if you find someone's wallet, because obviously you have to hand that in, but money by itself. Personally, if I find a £20 note floating around, I'll look around just to check it in case it is anyone's, and if there's no one around, I think that's acceptable. When it gets to 30, 40 or more, I feel a bit funny about keeping stuff like that. I think I never found any, so I wouldn't know, but maybe if it's £50 you have to hand it in, because that could really be someone's livelihood. What do you think, cool dudes? I'll be fascinated to hear. Please write your answers below. Pulham Market is a very nice place, and here's a good fact for you. It was hit by a tornado in November in 1981. Yeah, I have read Wikipedia. This is pretty cool. It's the old Pulham Market station. So the train line went from here all the way down there. Regular viewers may have noticed I was wearing my older yellow waterproof jacket, but it was attracting loads of flies for some reason, so I had to take it off and spray myself with the fly repellent, which is now burning my skin. I don't know what's worse. Will my waterproof jacket problems ever be resolved? What are the best ones? Please write below. That is a lot of manure. Hey, normal Marek. Yes, sunglasses Marek? That's where you live. Oh. According to my Outdooractive app, we are approaching Shimpling. Shimpling, I think, is number 3 on the Boudicca Way best name charts. Number 2 is still Saxingham Nethergate, and the more I think about it, number 1 is Pouring Land. We've only got about 4 miles left, so I doubt there are going to be any changes. Well done to all the competing towns and places. 4.25 miles. About 3 miles from the end, cool dudes. I'm in quite a lot of pain. The walk is much harder than I thought it was going to be. Ah, bollocks. That is the last thing I need when I'm exhausted. Please don't let it really be in here. Oh no. There's another field after this one. This is a cool church in the middle of nowhere. Look at the size of the yew tree. This place is properly giving me the heebie-jeebies. Okay, goodbye scary church. It started raining again. That place properly made the hair on my arm stand up. It's pretty weird. It's a bit of a squeeze. We're now into the last mile of the Boudicca Way. But how would I rate the walk? I would say solid, but not spectacular. Very pretty scenery, but a bit too much road walking. There's hardly anyone on this walk, and today's been a Saturday and I've hardly seen anyone. So it's a very quiet walk. There aren't many hills, but I still found it quite hard going on the feet because of the surfaces. A very good review, Marek. Oh, thank you, sunglasses, Marek. Oh, sorry, I meant average. Oh. I am absolutely ruined. If you enjoyed this video and my other videos, don't forget, you can help me make more by joining the club on corderswalkingclub.com, going to the membership and shop section, and you'll get this membership pack and entrance into the prize draw. But if you really, really loved it, you can also join on YouTube, where you can watch videos that no one else can see apart from YouTube members, and use these hilarious, specially made emojis. Or you can join both ways. Thank you very much to everyone who has. We must be nearly there now, please. Nice one, cool dudes. The dream has been realised. I have completed the walk. The Boudicca Way, 13.9 miles was today's effort in 7 hours and 9 minutes. The whole thing was 36.7 miles. I'm absolutely broken. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Prize draw coming up next. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool. All right, see you later. Yes, I very much enjoyed watching that. And who'd have thought that it's possible to be brave and handsome at the same time? Anyway, cool dudes, a couple of things for the prize draw. Firstly, thank you very much to everyone who watched videos on my other channel to keep up the minutes I need for a YouTube partnership. You need to have 4,000 minutes a year. I'm getting dangerously close. Anyway, thank you for that. Secondly, I've been very much enjoying using my traveller's notebook. This is an A6 version. I think it's the perfect size. And inside I used a Hannah Mule sketch and notepad for doing my travel journal, my walk around Guernsey. And I used watercolours. It was very enjoyable. And I've also got my notebook in there. And the most important document of all, yes, of course, the Spotter's Handbook. I've enjoyed it so much that in the next video, I'm going to give this one I've bought for viewers away as a prize, but it's just for YouTube members. So their next walk will be a ghost walk around Bembridge. And to say thank you to the people who join YouTube and give me a regular monthly amount, this excellent prize could be yours. And you can join up on YouTube for 99p a month. Think of it as a subscription thing. It really helps me out paying for all these videos. Anyway, it's time for the prize draw. The prize this week is, of course, strawberry laces, the cool badges, an outdoor active headband, and Pooh Man cards and Spotter's handbook. Pretty cool. Currently, there are 842 members from the website and 186 on YouTube, making a total of 1,082 members. Random number generator. Could you generate me a number, please? Generate 886. Oh, apologies for putting too many entries in. But it does mean that the 44th person to join on YouTube was Lisa. Thanks very much, Lisa. This cool stuff will be on its way to you. Alright, I don't know what happened there. But the most important thing is, you stay cool. Alright, see you later.